Hey everyone, Tyson the Subaru Specialist from Subaru Prince George here. Since it's close to the end of November and we're starting to experience some of the colder temperatures, I figured I would revisit how to use the genuine Subaru remote start accessory. So this is a 2022 Outback. It's going to be the same on most models. Now, on the regular key fob, I click the lock button. The doors must be locked. If you want to do it 3 times to make it honk, that's fine, you can do that. Now, on the back here, in tiny little letters, if it wants to focus on it, it says press twice to start it. It says model and then start, press times 2, and then to stop, hold for 2 seconds. So, to start it, sorry about the focus there. We go click, click. It beeps, there's a little blue light. The lights honk, flash, it honks. Or chirps, I guess. And I don't know if you could hear it, there was a small audible chirp on this as well. Now, to shut it off, what you do, press and hold, 1 1000, 2 1000. And I don't know if you could hear it, but on the fob, it was going chirp, chirp, chirp. So, that is a brief overview of how you use your genuine Subaru remote start accessory. I'm Tyson, the Subaru Specialist from Subaru Prince George. Talk to you guys soon.